Trillion Dollar Coach: The Leadership Playbook of Silicon Valley's Bill Campbell by Eric Schmidt and Jonathan Rosenberg. Bill Campbell played an instrumental role in the growth of several prominent companies such as Google, Apple, and Intuit, fostering deep relationships with Silicon visionaries, including Steve Jobs, Larry Page, and Eric Schmidt. In addition, this business genius mentored dozens of other important leaders on both coasts, from entrepreneurs to venture capitalists to educators to football players, leaving behind a legacy of growing companies, successful people, respect, friendship, and love after his death in 2016. Leaders at Google for over a decade, Eric Schmidt, Jonathan Rosenberg, and Alan Eagle experienced firsthand how the man, fondly known as Coach Bill, built trusting relationships, fostered personal growth, even in those at the pinnacle of their careers, inspired courage, and identified and resolved simmering tensions that inevitably arise in fast moving environments. Based on interviews with over 80 people who knew and loved Bill Campbell, Trillion Dollar Coach explains the coach's principles and illustrates them with stories from the many great people and companies with which he worked. Here are the three principles. Number one, your title makes you a manager. Your people make you a leader. Number two, it is the people. Number three, tough love. Your title makes you a manager. Your people makes you a leader. How do you bring people around and help them flourish in your environment? Bill once asked, it's not by being a dictator. It's not by telling them what the hell to do. It's making sure that they feel valued by being in the right room with you. Listen, pay attention. This is what great managers do. New managers soon learn that when direct reports are told to do something, they don't necessarily respond. In fact, the more talented the subordinate, the less likely she is to simply follow orders. A manager's authority emerges only as the manager establishes credibility with subordinates, peers, and superiors. Bill Campbell said, if you are a great manager, your people will make you a leader. They acclaim that, not you. He once wrote to a struggling manager, you have demanded respect rather than having it accrue to you. You need to project humility, a selflessness that projects that you care about the company and about people. Number two, it is the people. Bill Campbell cared deeply about the people he led, and this became the foundation of the trusted relationships he built with others. Bill cared so deeply about his team, he wrote, it is the people manifesto while he was CEO of Intuit, and he repeatedly it practically verbatim to multiple CEOs he coached. People are the foundation of any company's success. The primary job of each manager is to help people be more effective in their job and to grow and develop. We have great people who want to do well, are capable of doing great things, and come to work fired up to do them. Great people flourish in an environment that liberates and amplifies that energy. Managers create this environment through support, respect, and trust. Trust means freeing people to do their job and to make decisions. It means knowing that people want to do well and believing that they will. Number three, tough love. Being honest, transparent, and straightforward with your feedback of how to improve. Being demanding and having high standards. Tough. Being respectful, supportive, caring, love. Bill was always 100% honest. He told the truth and candid. I borrowed this from web, and this was written on July 14, 2019 by Amit Ranadive.